Good evening, guys. Good evening. What's going on? So, a little bit of a cool down this evening on the altcoins, Bitcoin as well, I suppose, a little bit. JASMY down 1.9%, still a $1 billion market cap, 2 cents 070, still 130.99 million in trading volume. Not too bad. All right, what is Bitcoin doing? 75,900, still hovering around that $76,000 level, guys. It's going to break, and when it does, it's going to be pretty juicy, I think. Pretty juicy. Let's go and look at the JASMY chart. All right, so as you can see here, guys, I mean, it speaks for itself, right? Massive run up. We closed yesterday's daily candle above the 100-day SMA, which was exactly what I was hoping we would do. Right now, it looks like we might retest the 100-day as support before continuing up. Could wake up tomorrow if Bitcoin continues to run the way that it has. You have to remember that today we did have a 25 basis point rate cut. I don't think that news is really kind of settled in because of everyone still has this euphoria about the election and stuff. So I think that may play a factor tomorrow in terms of a little bit of positivity in the price action. I think tomorrow should be okay. The RSI is still just barely overbought at 59.61. So there is a lot of room to go to the upside here for JASMY. And if we go to the weekly, the RSI is even more cooled off at 49.88, more neutral than anything else. So, and look at this nice, gorgeous breakout, guys, on the weekly time frame. This couple days we'll get this nice, beautiful close outside of here, and then it's Moonshot City, in my opinion, guys. Let's go check out Bitcoin, see what Bitcoin's doing. All right, so we're messing with resistance here at the at yesterday's all-time high. I believe yesterday's all-time high. Yeah. So we got that resistance here. We wicked up over it 3 times, setting all-time high after all-time high. We got as high another 3 days in a row. We've set all-time highs. Today's all-time high was around that $76,876 mark. See if we can continue on tomorrow, guys. This is phenomenal. Phenomenal action we're seeing, right? Now, I always want to put that little word of caution out there as well, okay? Is it possible we come down and retest, or maybe not quite this far, maybe not quite down to 72,000, but is it possible we come back down a little ways and build up a support level before continuing to the upside? Something like this, right? Maybe right down here, 74,000 or something, before we continue up again, right? Here's the thing, guys. You have to build support levels on your way up, right? You have to. Otherwise, if you go straight up, guess what happens as soon as you get a reverse in the price action? You go straight back down again. No resistance levels means no support levels, right? So you have to keep that in mind. Very important that we build up these support levels so that if we do come in some sort of a crash, those support levels that we spent time building will catch us from falling further, okay? So just keep that in mind. Things are looking good. The more we bang our heads off of this resistance here, the more the chance we're going to break up to the upside. Again, just a matter of time. It's going to be an exciting weekly close, in my opinion, this weekend, guys. I'm very jacked up for it. So JASMY price eyes a 30% surge as bottom signs emerge. JASMY's price rose for 2 consecutive days, reaching its highest level since October 24th as sentiment in the crypto industry improved. JASMY, the popular Japanese token, climbed to an intraday high of 2 cents 2, up by over 23% from its lowest point this week. This rally aligned with the broader rebound in the crypto market and a shift in the fear and greed index from neutral to greed zone at 62. Traders are anticipating further gains following Donald Trump's presidential election win. JASMY's rise was accompanied by an increase in its futures open interest, which surged to over $28.4 million, the highest since October 25th. This marked a significant increase from the week's low of approximately 2.9 milli. JASMY also pumped because it is often seen as the Japanese alternative to Bitcoin. And the reason for that, guys, is because it is actually the only legally regulated crypto in Japan. Funny story. A crypto coin that surged to a record high of over $75,000 on Wednesday, referring to Bitcoin. Market optimism remained as traders looked forward to potential gains. In an X post, the crypto titan, an analyst with over 14,000 followers, pointed to a possible bullish breakout, citing a bullish pennant pattern. As you can see from his tweet, he says, JASMY 20% up so far with a single day in spot. Congratulations to everyone. I already told you yesterday it would make a super bounce, and it's in a strong demand area. Now anticipating more pump from JASMY as it's currently on the verge of a breakout. JASMY's price showing bottom signs. Signs. Meanwhile, there are signs that the JASMY token has started to bottom. On the daily chart, we see that the JASMY coin formed a double bottom pattern at 1 cent 7.2. In most periods, this is one of the most popular bullish signs in the market. Now, I'm going to show you guys exactly what he is talking about on the chart. We'll come back to the article in a moment. As you can see, double bottom pattern right there. It is something that we have been tracking. We were tracking the whole time over on the channel. So guys, if you want to stay on top of this stuff, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But yes, here is your double bottom that he's talking about, and then a break to the upside, right? One of the most popular signals in crypto. JASMY is attempting to flip the descending trend line that connects the highest swing on August 23rd to October 15th and October 22nd. Additionally, JASMY has risen above the 200-day EMA and is nearing the 50% retracement point. Therefore, the coin will likely continue rising as bulls target the key resistance point at 2 cents 54, the neckline of the double bottom pattern. If this happens, it means that the coin will rebound by about 30% from the current level. So what do you guys think? A nice 30% run on JASMY for the next leg up? That would be absolutely fantastic, guys. But as always, I want to know what you guys think. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Are you being patient when it comes to crypto, when it comes to the altcoins? Because we have a lot of these discussions on the live streams, on the Discord, and on the Patreon. And I know that a lot of people are starting to get that itch. They're getting impatient. I'm starting to see a little bit of an increase over on X. A lot of people whining, right? Are you one of these people? Are you able to hold it in? Are you holding on? Are you waiting? Are you excited? Are you down? Are you gloomy? How are you feeling? Let me know in the comment section, guys. And guys, listen, if you want to sit down, you want to book a Zoom call with me one-on-one, we can sit down, we can chat about your portfolio, about your profit-taking strategy, your exit plans, making sure that you have targets in place where there's still liquidity in the market. If you want to talk self-custody or DeFi staking, compounding gains, nodes, everything in between, guys, book a one-on-one call with me. I Zoom call you. We talk for about an hour. You can book them randomly over on the Patreon. So get over there. The link is down below. And also we do group Zoom calls as well where we all chat together. We do that on a daily basis, guys. So get over there, join the conversation. Again, we talk about all of this stuff, cold storage, self-custody, taxes and tax implications, DeFi exchanges, right? DeFi staking, compounding gains, right? Nodes, everything. Passive income, guys. So get over there, join the conversation. The link is down below. We'll see you there.